What lies behind you and what lies in front of you pales in comparison to what lies inside of you. A man is what he thinks about all day long. To be yourself in a world that is constantly trying to make you something else is the greatest accomplishment. Nothing great was ever achieved without enthusiasm. For every minute you remain angry, you give up 60 seconds of peace of mind. People do not seem to realize that their opinion of the world is also a confession of character. Once you make a decision, the universe conspires to make it happen. The first wealth is health. Doing well is the result of doing good. That's what capitalism is all about. A hero is no braver than an ordinary man, but he is brave 5 minutes longer. Our greatest glory is not in never failing, but in rising up every time we fail. Life is a succession of lessons which must be lived to be understood. All is riddle, and the key to a riddle is another riddle. He who is not every day conquering some fear has not learned the secret of life. Win as if you were used to it. Lose as if you enjoyed it for a change. For everything you have missed, you have gained something else. And for everything you gain, you lose something else. Our chief want is someone who will inspire us to be what we know we could be. The greatest glory in living lies not in never falling, but in rising every time we fall. It is one of the blessings of old friends that you can afford to be stupid with them. All life is an experiment. The more experiments you make, the better. A friend may well be reckoned the masterpiece of nature. You cannot do a kindness too soon for you. Never know how soon it will be too late. Though we travel the world over to find the beautiful, we must carry it with us or we find it not. All I have seen teaches me to trust the Creator for all I have not seen. Who you are speaks so loudly I can't hear what you're saying. A man is a god in ruins when men are innocent. Life shall be longer and shall pass into the immortal as gently as we awake from dreams. The age of a woman doesn't mean a thing. The best tunes are played on the oldest fiddles. Shallow men believe in luck, strong men believe in cause and effect. The desire of gold is not for gold, it is for the means of freedom and benefit. Trust men and they will be true to you. Treat them greatly and they will show themselves great. The health of the eye seems to demand a horizon. We are never tired, so long as we can see far enough. Every man is a consumer and ought to be a producer. He is by constitution expensive and needs to be rich. Friendship, like the immortality of the soul, is too good to be believed. Trust your instinct to the end, though you can render no reason. A man's growth is seen in the successive choirs of his friends. Truth is handsomer than the affectation of love. Your goodness must have some edge to it, else it is none. In certain men digestion and sex absorb the vital force. And the stronger these are, the individual is so much weaker, the more off these drones perish, the better for the hive. Great men are they who see that spiritual is stronger than any material force, that thoughts rule the world. Speak the truth, and all things alive or brute are vouchers, and the very roots of the grass underground there do seem to stir and move to bear you witness. Every man has his own courage and is betrayed because he seeks in himself the courage of other persons. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel for more videos. Goodbye.